friends, welcome back to another video. Welcome if you are new. Welcome to my master bedroom refresh. Today we are going to get the space back in order because it's currently in a state of disarray. We recently ripped out our ratty carpet and replaced it with some beautiful white oak hardwood flooring, and it's completely transformed the space. But I have yet to kind of put everything back where it belongs. So we're gonna tackle that today. So you're gonna get a little cleaning motivation. We're also gonna be doing some decorating. I have some new drapes that I am so impressed with. Can't wait to share those with you as well. But yeah, let's do some decorating, some cleaning. Thank you so much for being here. I hope you guys enjoy this, and let's begin. Okay, so as I said, this bedroom is quite the disaster. My plan is to, first things first, get rid of the clutter so I can kind of better visualize how I want to place the furniture. But the biggest items that are out of place are my desk as well as my mirror. I don't think I'm gonna keep the mirror there. That's not where I normally have it. I normally have it on this wall over here. So I may put it back there. And then the desk I need to move. And I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep it there on that wall or put it, I thought maybe putting it over here, but then it might be a little too crowded. I don't know. I'm gonna kind of play around with it. But look at this flooring, guys. I am so happy with it. Let me tell you, this was the hardest decision because I didn't want, well, I wanted to go with a light flooring, but I didn't want it to be too light. So I feel like this is just the perfect mix, and I could not be happier. If you follow my channel and saw my prior video, then you're fully aware of, the updates that we're in the process of making to our home, and it's just exciting. I love making these changes and just making our house a home. It's a long time overdue. We have little Sadie over here. What are you doing? She's just sleeping away, always sleeping. She's always she loves to hang out with me and just be wherever I am, right? Such a good girl. The bed is made and already the room is looking cleaner. But I thought I would mention this little coverlet because whenever I show my bedding, I'm always asked about it. This is from Sam's Club, believe it or not. And I was there the other day. They still sell it, so I will link it down below for anyone who's interested. It's a great way to add, a little more texture to your bedding. I love that. And I took care of all of the clutter that was over here, those baskets and the pillows I had here. Next, I'm gonna replace my curtains. And let me show you what's currently up here. So currently I have these kind of sheer curtains that I have never been fully happy with. I think I picked these up from Home Goods, and I just think they're a little too sheer. Well, not think, but they are. They're definitely a little too sheer. I want something that blocks the sunlight more. So I want to thank 2Pages for sponsoring today's video because I cannot wait to share with you their drapes. 2Pages offers custom draperies, but without the custom price tag. I have to say I'm so impressed with their selection of styles as well as fabrics. They have a large selection of fabric colors. They make the draperies to your exact measurements that you provide. You can even customize the type of header you want, or if you want to include a blackout lining. The lead time is 3 to 7 days for express shipping. Standard shipping is going to be around 10 to 12 days. Very reasonable, especially considering these are custom made drapes. They did provide me with a discount code to share with you. You can get 8% off your order. That code is Kathleen8, and I'll have all of their information linked down below. But let me share with you the curtains that I received from them because I am honestly so impressed with the quality of these curtains. So I received 4 drapery panels, 2 of which I'm gonna put in my bedroom. The other 2 will go in my dining room. Now the bedroom draperies, these are the Liz polyester linen drapes. And again, they're gorgeous. I did order a pleated header. I also ordered a blackout liner. The craftsmanship is just impeccable. Now they do include hooks if you have ordered the pleated header, and I love that the hooks are adjustable. That way you can adjust the height of the curtain. That is such a convenient option. Now I did order mine to touch the floor slightly, so I like that I have the option to adjust the curtain length using the hook. And just look how gorgeous these curtains are. I'm just so impressed by these. I'll show you what they look like close so you can see how well they block out the sunlight with that blackout liner. I'll also include some pictures of the drapes that I installed in the dining room because they too are just absolutely gorgeous. I'll have all of the information regarding the curtain style as well as color that I ordered down in the description box for your reference. Making progress here. Now, I am not going to leave the desk there because it's just too crowded over there. So, what to do? I think I will put it over on this wall instead and then move the mirror on this wall too. But I kind of like the couches over there. So I think once I move the mirror, I'll scooch the couches, not couches, but the chairs a little further down and just have that as like, Bella, patience. You're being awfully demanding. Come here. No, don't scrape at the door. She always scrapes at the door. You want out? Okay, go on. So yeah, I'm gonna have that as like a little coffee nook area. We'll see. But I really like the bench at the foot of the bed. It's fun to just kind of change things up every now and then. But right now I'm gonna go ahead and attempt to roll this rug out. And that will kind of just tie everything together. And excuse these little cardboard pieces underneath the dresser here. We have those just to kind of protect the floor while we were moving the dresser, so I do need to pick those up. just taking care of those last minute details. I will say I ended up leaving the desk on that wall. I know originally I was thinking it looked too crowded, but once I got everything in place, the rest of the room, it just worked and it ended up looking good there. So that is where it's going to stay, at least for now, until I get the urge to do some more rearranging again, which I'm known for. So don't be surprised if you see another rearranging video coming your way. But thank you so much for watching. Thank you to 2 Pages. I will have their information down below if you'd like to check them out. Again, I'm just so impressed with the drapes I received. But thank you so much for being here. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Subscribe if you're new, and I will see you very soon in my next one. Take care.